That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.
Good morning, you guys. Just woke up, about to make me a smoothie. That's gonna be like my breakfast, and after that I have to get in the shower, get ready to shoot because I'm shooting today. So I'm kind of like rushing right now, so let me go ahead and make my breakfast, have my tea, get in the shower, get dressed, do my makeup. It shouldn't take me long to do my makeup because my hair is already done, as you guys could see, period. So it should take me like 20-25 minutes to get ready. So let me go ahead and make my breakfast. So I just got out the shower, just got dressed. I'm on the way out right now because me and Arm is about to shoot. I'm about to shoot 2 looks today. So this is my first outfit. I have on these pants and this top from Namila. I think that's what it's called. Let me see. Yeah, the brand is called Namila. So I have this 2-piece set from them. Let me show you guys real quick. I don't have my shoes on yet, but I just want to show y'all the outfit. So this is what it looks like. These pants and this top, and I'm wearing my clear heels with it. So I'm on the way to shoot this right now. I think I'm gonna do this like in a garage or whatever. And my second look is gonna be the blue look that I had in Miami. I shot, but the pictures didn't come out cute, so I'm gonna reshoot it today with this hair because I feel like it's gonna look cute. So yeah. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm about to pack the other outfits and call my Uber and be on the way out because she has to meet me at the location. And after that, we're gonna go eat and I'm gonna come back home and edit my vlog. Probably just chill for the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and head out. Period. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I'm not sure what I was doing yesterday. I don't even know where I left off, what I was talking about, what I was doing. But it's the next day and it's currently 3 p.m. I'm going to the beach today with the girls. So I have my bathing suit on. I'm gonna show y'all my little outfit. RM is on the way to pick me up right now. Let me show you guys my beach outfit. I literally only have foundation and lashes on today. I didn't feel like doing my makeup. Y'all already know the drill. But this is my beach outfit, girl. My bathing suit under here. Got these little pants to go on top. Ooh, period. Period. Wearing some sandals with it. Ready for the beach. Can't even swim. Period. Girl, I'm not going to the beach to swim. I'm just going to take some pictures and to look cute. So yeah, I'm waiting on Arm to come pick me up. So we could be on the way. We're probably gonna stop to get some snacks and things like that. But I'm pretty much ready to go, girl. I guess I will see you guys once we're on the way out or once I link with the girls. So got to the beach. We're at Manhattan Beach. We're at this little pizza spot right now getting some food so we can take it to the beach and shit. But it's actually not hot today. I thought it was gonna be hot. It's cold, but it's always like colder when you get towards the water, so it's like a bit chilly. But yeah, we out here. Just ordered some food and shit, just waiting for it. Just waiting for the food. So cute out here. Like, I love the vibe. Like, it's so clean. It's just giving, you know. Give you a little view. Period. This wind is smacking the shit out my back. Smacking the shit out my back. Smacking the shit. Lie like that.
Let's go skateboard.
I actually know how to skateboard.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I used to skateboard when I was like in
I just go get my no, that's my shit.
If you ain't at the beach, then where the fuck is you at?
We in the house.
Where the fuck is you
at?
at?
The beach. Where you at? We outside with it.
We outside with it. It's like little picnic at the beach. We finna play Uno. Hurry.
Oh hell no.
I don't want sweets. Oh, it's problems.
Who's next?
Oh, it's my turn? No, that's the first card. Somebody gotta go.
There's left to do.
Wait.
Okay, we'll see what's about to happen.
We got this one little ass blanket.
Well, fuck you.
The sand is damn near all over it. I'm getting the BTS claw. Look at this. Look at this ass. It's you guys matching for me. Did you? We're leaving the beach. It was a successful beach day.
What happened?
Grandma!
That's too damn bad.
That's too damn bad! Wednesday. No, today's actually Thursday. So I took Wednesday off. That's why I didn't vlog yesterday. I just felt like I needed a day to myself. I was a bit tired, a bit drained from just being all over the place lately. So I just took yesterday off to just like relax and clean, eat, and just like, you know, cleanse my body. And I feel so much better. So today's Thursday and I just got up not too long ago. I'm making like a little breakfast for myself. I literally never make breakfast for myself anymore. I always eat out, order out. So today I decided to get up and make me some breakfast. So I made like this little fried egg toast, avocado toast that I always make. Literally my favorite breakfast to make ever. I'm about to eat that with some banana. I'm like a fucking kid right now. Like, this breakfast is giving me very much toddler, but it's okay because they eat the best anyways. Yeah, so we got some banana, little egg avocado toast, and I'm also about to make some tea because, girl, I need my sea moss tea. So I'm about to make that really quick. And then, excuse the noise, I guess they're doing construction next door. They've been doing constructions for like 2 years since I moved in here, and I'm about sick of their asses. But yeah, so put this avocado in here. You guys, I love avocados. I just love it so much. We're gonna make some lemon ginger tea. Girl, I cannot speak anymore. I said, get some honey. Pour this hot water in here. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So I figured out how to work this pot thingy, I guess. Somebody commented and was like, try not filling it all the way to the top. It helped actually a lot, because I feel like when it's like full, like up to like here, when the water boils, it comes out through here. So I have to make sure it's like in the middle somewhere. So thank you guys for that. See, this is why I be saying comment under my videos, because y'all be helping me so much. Like, what would I do without you? So we're gonna put some sea moss in here. Teaspoon. Dump it in here. I should actually do 2 because I missed yesterday. So I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of sea moss. Close that up. I'm gonna let this tea get warm. So this is gonna look ghetto, but this is my breakfast. We got bananas, avocado toast, and I have like extra avocado on the side because I just decided to get the extra one and eat it also. Yeah, sir. Why am I so clumsy? Like, I'm just so sick of myself. Like, relax sometimes. I just cannot. I cannot. Like, y'all, I'm literally the clumsiest person on earth. Like, it makes no sense. I hate it. I'm always just let me not even fucking say nothing before I lose my fucking mind. Yep. So that's breakfast. We got some pineapple juice. This is literally all pineapple juice in here. Don't this look so good? And it's cold. Let me put it back in the fridge so it can be colder. So after I eat my breakfast, I'm gonna go to the post office because I have to ship out some packages. And after I come back from the post office, I'm gonna get some work done, reply to some emails and stuff because I'm late on that. And that's pretty much all I have planned. I'm supposed to be going to dinner later, so alright, so I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'm gonna come back after I'm done eating breakfast, drinking my tea. Probably coming back from the post office because it's too much going on. So I will see you guys in a second. So the last time y'all seen me, I think I was working, answering emails, but it's like way later in the day right now, and I'm actually getting dressed to go bowling with some friends, Ed and Dosha. So that should be fun. I literally just threw on some clothes, girl, no makeup. Period. Y'all see the skin? Y'all see the skin? Period. But yeah, I threw on some sweats, a little top, some sneakers, and I'm ready to go drunk bowling. I haven't bowled in so long, you guys. I'm so excited. Like, I love bowling. Like, anybody that knows me know I would never shut the fuck up about bowling, and I'm so happy that I'm finally going bowling today. So yeah, you know, we're on chill today. You know, some chill, some slight or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to head downstairs. I will see you guys once I get in a car with everybody else and shit like that. So see ya. Hi guys.
Hey y'all.
I'm outside with my friends. We about to go get drunk and bowl. We about to go get drunk and bowl.
We about to throw some balls. I know that's right. Pins out.
I know that's right. Look at Dosha looking like a
Throw
Barbie
some balls
doll.
and knock some pins out. That's what we finna do.
And we got King Ed over there.
I got my head down.
I know that's right. All right, come on guys. You better walk, girl. You better walk. This your runway. Go ahead. Period. It's always lit out here. Hollywood streets.
Thank you.
I know that's right, King Ed. Giving back to the peoples. I know.
Bowling!
It smells like piss out here.
They got drinks in this bitch?
Yeah, they always got drinks at like the bowling alley.
People like bowling
You
drinks.
could like order like food and like drinks to your table, to your lane and shit. Yeah, it's fun. Gotta put our shoes on. I'm fucking good. I used to want to keep you warm though.
Some days, right? I need that one.
Some plates for you? You want to share your...
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here you go. We got buffalo wings.
But this one what?
No, that's barbecue. We got buffalo and French fries. French fries. Hey.
Okay. Oh my god. That was so bad.
So fucking bad.
But let's go, round two. Oh yeah, that's fire. Right in the middle. Wow, okay, period. Good game.
These rings, fire. Say oh Alabama.
Home Alabama.
Strike, bitch, period. Oh my god, you got your first strike?
Well, it was technically a strike. It was like, I got all the pills, but you know, bitch gonna take whatever she can get.
I know that's
So,
right.
hi.
Period.
Y'all,
playing with me. Anyways, actually,
Because
Yeah. Neck and neck.
no, because the
Neck
only
and neck.
reason why he won is because I was drunk.
No, the fuck not. I won because I won.
No,
I won.
I was drunk. And that's why you
super
won.
colorist.
I won.
Super duper colorist. I would have won. I'm sorry.
Becca just got here.
I just got here and it looked like a cracker and I'm cooking. Ow.
Ow. How she come to my house and started cooking my shit, period?
I'm hungry as hell.
I need friends like this. Because I don't cook.
She said she ain't
I
got
just
no
ordered some, baby. Look at Dosha, period.
I'm Dosha Ing.
Neka is cooking.
Neka Ing.
I love that for me. And we got Ed.
Not what the hell say.
We got Ed sleep. Ed is sleep.
Models that I shot.
Eddie, you always sleep. You always sleep, Eddie. I just can't. I just cannot, Eddie. I just cannot.
Oh, this is a cute camera, Amanda. It is. I was about to compliment it. It's so cute. Oh, it's giving aesthetic. No, but the fact that you still have an African
I've been trying to
teapot.
make tea every morning.
Oh, facts. I be doing my shit. The lemon tea, the ginger lemon tea,
I
or
have
whatever.
ginger lemon tea right
Yes.
here.
Ah, you're living a healthy life.
Thank you.
Thank you. Walk outside, right?
Shorty said thank you.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day and today's actually Juneteenth. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm on the way out right now. I have to go find something to wear because I don't have nothing to wear for today, and I want to dress up. I want to look cute because you know it's a celebration. We have to look cute and represent the peoples, period. So I'm on the way to go find me an outfit right now. It's currently like 1 p.m. I've been asleep all day. I feel like shit because I had a long night yesterday, girl. I was drunk as hell. And let me just say, I'm done drinking. Like, I'm done drinking. I don't want to drink no more. I'm about to detox for the next 2 months. Stay my ass in the house and mind my motherfucking business. After today, I'm gonna stay in the house. But nevertheless, yeah, so I'm on the way out right now. But yeah, so I'm waiting on my ride. I guess I will see you guys once I hit the block. I want strawberry lemonade.
Pineapple and strawberry.
Strawberry lemonade.
Yeah. Mixed girl. You always want one thing.
I gotta stick beside what I like. Stick beside them. Period. We better get these little thingies. This shit is bomb. We just did like a little bit of shopping on here, whatever. Norm had to get like a few things, and we got a few things, so now we about to get this snack and be on the way to go back in the house to get ready. We get a little.
We have an hour and a half to get ready.
Is it good? Question.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
$10.
Okay, so do you want to go get the car while I go inside and order something?
You want me to take your bag?
Yeah, do you want something to eat? Best to get like a little snack. Hey you guys, so it's later on in the day and I showered, I got dressed, I got myself together. So we're going to a few parties tonight. So I got dressed for the night. I'm about to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring my camera though. I'm gonna try to get some footage on my phone and include it in the vlog so you guys can see how the night ended. Even though I'm not drinking tonight because girl, I'm done with drinking, like period, I'm done. But let me show you guys my outfit. So when we went to the market earlier, I didn't really find much, but I did find this little romper. And I literally bought it in every color. Like, I got it in this blue, I got it in black and nude and purple. It's really cute. I really love how it fits my body. Like, it's really fitted. Anything that just fits me really tight, I be in love. So I had to get every color. It looks really good on me, you guys. Like, it's so bomb. I did a middle part straight. That's like my signature style. Like, I love bone straight middle part black. Girl, she gives glow. Like, she gives glow, like sexy glow, period. But yeah, that's the look for tonight. Let me see if I can show you guys in the mirror. Y'all already know my lighting situation stuck right here, but
Let's see. Okay, so this is what I look like. I think I look cute, you know. It's giving body, like, okay, showing out. I got my little boots, my white boots on with this, and I'm wearing my white Balenciaga purse, and that's about it. I did like light jewelry. So yeah, that's the look, period. Yeah, so I'm dressed and ready. I'm waiting on Arm to come pick me up so we could be on the way out. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, so today's Monday and I literally just woke up and it's like 4:30 in the afternoon. I was supposed to do so much today, like so much. I was gonna do a few activities by myself today, but my night was rough, so I'm tired. Ended up just sleeping all freaking day, but it's okay. I'm actually about to hop in a shower right now because I actually have dinner reservations for 6:15 at one of my favorite restaurants. So I'm about to hop in a shower and start getting ready so I could take myself out to dinner and eat something. I've been craving some lamb chops, and this restaurant got some bomb ass lamb chops, so period. I'm about to get ready and go there and have dinner, and that's pretty much gonna be it for today. It's Monday. This vlog should be up at tomorrow, so this is the last day for this week. Yeah, I hope it wasn't too boring or whatever. So yeah, let me go ahead and get ready and go eat because I am starving, girl. I can't believe I slept all day like that. Like, all right you guys, so I'm ready. I'm all dressed. I'm actually late. I don't even know how I'm late because I ain't even do nothing. I only have foundation and lashes on. My hair took forever because I had to glue it back on because it was coming off. But I'm dressed. I literally just threw on this dress and some boots because I didn't feel like looking for a fit. I mean tonight is not all that anyways. Like, I'm just taking myself out, so I don't really need to dress up. But I'm just wearing this orange dress, which I'm pretty sure y'all seen before in my Santa Monica vlog. But, you know, I didn't wear it out, so I'm wearing it out tonight. I'm just wearing that with some white boots. And by the way, this dress is from Pink Plastic, so make sure you check it out. I literally have this dress in every color. When your bestie is the owner, you can have everything you want, period. But yeah, this is from Pink Plastic, so that's basically what I'm wearing. Very simple. Like I said, this is a me date night. I'm taking myself out, so I don't really gotta waste my outfits, especially if I'm not taking no pictures. So yeah, my car is on the way right now to come pick me up and drop me off, and we're just gonna eat, vibe. Me and you, girl, we're going on a date, so we're just gonna eat, vibe, and just, like, you know, enjoy some great eats and just like our solitude, silence, and just peace, okay, with a whole bunch of white people in my business. Because every time I go out to eat by myself, it's always a white person in your goddamn business. But I don't mind, and you know, I love it anyways. So yeah, I'm dressed, car's on the way. I'm about to hop in an Uber, so I guess I will see you guys in a second, period.
how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand.
You guys, look who it is. Hi! Dosha and Ed joined me for dinner. Hi, you guys. We're about to eat. The lighting sucks, but
Okay, I probably look black as hell.
this is their food.
I'm eating Larry the lobster because you know why I'm living like Larry.
I know that's
Large.
right. I know that's right. They both got lobster pasta. And I'm gonna order it like when we leave so I can have it to go because this looks too good.
Yeah, living like Larry, living large.
You guys, so we just had dinner. I'm about to leave. We're about to leave.
Oh, why we look lighter now?
Because
I put the brightness up. Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you guys for joining me.
Of course.
We had a great time. The food was good.
It was wonderful.
it was bomb.
Why I feel like I'm on a TV show.
Y'all gotta get used to the camera. Dosha.
Dosha, Amanda's saying bye.
She just got the fuck
Hello?
Bye, my
What's
friend.
up, baby mama? What's up?
Where's your Uber?
Right here.
No, I'm not.
Got an X.
How the hell am I supposed to get in? So I just got back home from dinner and I'm a bit tipsy right now, but I'm basically trying to close off the vlog because that's pretty much all I'm doing tonight. I'm in my robe right now, y'all. I literally stole this robe from the hotel that we went to, but I don't think you could steal it because I'm pretty sure you could take them home. I don't know, I don't really stay in hotels, so I don't know how it works, but I took the robe home because it's just so cozy and I love the fabric and it's just so soft, and I took it home. But nevertheless, I just got home from eating. I'm about to just lay on the couch and edit this vlog real quick so it could be ready to go up tomorrow because tomorrow's Tuesday and I have to post it, start my brand new week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new because we're lit on this channel. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week.
Melanin, hocus pocus, baby.